So hey guys, we are going to be playing Off-Road Outlaws. We just unequipped trailer, and then yeah, we are going to play Off-Road Outlaws today. So I will be showing a tutorial on how to build my monster max here in a later video. So let's get into playing. Okay, so I will show you my map I've been working on. So it's here. I've been working on this. I just want to see how y'all like it. So basically, this is set to private, but for some reason I keep on doing that. Like, see, like, these little bumps and stuff. Oh, crap. Yeah, like, this is bad. No. Dang it, Carl. No, dang it. Dang it. I am kind of frequent with crashing, so yeah. Just don't worry if I crash a lot. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and show you some. Just like that. Hey, finally. Shut up. No. Don't crash. Don't. No. Yes. Oh, that bad man. No. Oh, dang it. Oh, no. Oh, dang it. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video.